Okay, you guys, what time is it? I think it's about 5:30ish, but I'm going to show you how to sharpen a pencil with a pocket knife. Now, my pocket knife, I don't know if you can see this, but the blade, well, the tippy top of the knife is bent, but that's okay. But what you want to do is there a no, there's no lead. Okay, that was easy, and I just cut myself, but oh well. But what you want to do is firmly hold the knife with the blade not facing towards you. How can I say this? Facing away from you. And away from my phone, too. But, it's really not working. I gotta get myself a new knife. This thing was only $1. But, I'm not even showing it on camera. But there, that is now a pencil, a broken pencil tip. But oh well, peace out.